Hi everyone, this is the National Geographic Educator Certification capstone video. What have in common first and 10th grades related with Costa Rican rocky reefs? Hi everyone, my name is Gerardo Palacios Martinez. I work in Lakeside International School, Costa Rica. Well, we can start with what is the location of organisms on rocky reef based on local scientific paper, age for grade levels, between 14 and 18 subject areas, biodiversity, biology. Total number of students reached 20. What did we do? Students did a summary of a local scientific paper related with rocky marine organisms. In groups, they designed a game, puzzle, or dynamic related with biology aspects. Then, in groups, they went with first grade and teach them basic information about every organism. They went to a field trip to Rocky Reef, they did looking for marine organisms, and finally, they showed to them how marine organisms looks and their most important characteristics. We saw snails, crabs, brittle stars, sea urchins, worms, fish, sea cucumbers, oysters, and others. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to, with direct and indirect observations of organisms, students will be able to identify marine rocky organisms and their characteristics. The use of local scientific paper, practice trying to teach basic concepts to early year students, and explain to early year students some marine organisms and their care. What happened with human natural worlds, scales, and perspectives by National Geographic Educator Certification. I usually go with the students to study rocky coastal organisms. This program gave me the opportunity to improve this field trip working with early year students and improve experiences of everyone. Children could teach us a different perspective and we could them about how to recognize animals, scales, and perspectives. This activity focuses in perspectives like ecological, communicative, and educational, but also in local, regional, and global scale. This activity put in contact two different groups of students with different education level. If they work together, can open common paths to learn together based in this kind of activities. Also helps in communication skills in local and regional scale because this activity joins together different groups of students with different academic levels and different ages that involve new positive experience for both. What happened with the scales and perspectives? Okay, children can start to learn different things with the youth people related with different learning framework of National Geographic like attitudes, example for curiosity, responsibility, and empowerment. 10th grade students design activities to increase understanding and empathy across difference in perspective with early year students. Also, related with the skills, for example, observation and collaboration. 10th grade students develop explanations that are supported by multiple sources of evidence consistent with scientific ideas based in a local scientific paper. The most important thing was that they saw that directly on the field trip. What about knowledge? For example, the human journey and our changing planet. My class did not provide or practice this kind of situation. It was amazing to see how 10th grade students were very responsible and focused in this activity. Everybody learned a lot. Impact and future plans. I listened and very fun experiences about this activity. It was interesting so students trying different techniques for keep the attention of early year students. Most 10th grade students say that they enjoyed a lot this activity. They learned different topics and it was new for them. This activity could be adapted to different students from early years to high school. If you provide more material resources, student imagination do the rest. Welcome to Marine Rocky Organisms in Costa Rica. See you soon over here to see sea urchins, corals, sea cucumbers, or corals, also algae, snails, brittle stars, oysters, other snails, barnacles, sea slugs, and chitons, and don't forget some fish. Thank you for watching and adieu for everything. It's a nice journey. Thanks.